Looking for a job, you probably spend day pouring concert, working in your warehouse, cutting wood, welding steel, but you would spend a single day in sales. Why? Because you believe sales doesn't pay. No salary, only commission. And if you don't spell, you don't get paid. So it sounds really risky, it sounds unstable, and
No,
most
I'd
people
meditate.
right here to something safe. But what if I told you something interesting? Some of the richest people in the world didn't start in engineering and medicine alone, they start in sales. And what if I told you that sales is not the bottom of the business world? Actually the front door, the door to the top. Let me show you a bus most people never see. A real progression from a small shop employee to the international business deals worth millions. This is not motivation. This is a road map. Stage 1. Working as a salesperson in local store. At first, it's as simple. You get hired in a small local store, maybe construction supplies, maybe this chronics, maybe a supermarket. You don't have a big office, you don't have a status, you don't have respect from the outside world yet. Just a desk, a chair, a computer, and customers walking in and out. Most people think this is just a temporary job, but if you look at it differently, this is your first real business classroom. Every customer teach, every customer teaches you something. One is impatient, one is confused, one only cares about price, one needs trust before anything else, and slowly you start to realize something. You are not just selling a product, you are learning psychology, you are learning decision making, you are learning human behavior, and that is foundation of everything in business. Stage 2. Becoming a professional salesperson. After some time, something changes. You are no longer too beginner. Customers start recognizing you. They ask for you specifically, they trust you more than others. Now you understand timing, you understand tone, you understand you understand when to speak and when to listen. You know how to handle objection. You know how to tone hesitation into confidence, and you know how to close a deal without pressure. At this stage, your income is no longer random. It becomes directly connected to your skill. To the better you get, to more you earn. Because sales is no luck, it is a skill, and a skill always pays. I knew someone who started working as a salesperson in a small construction supply store. All they was given was a desk, a chair, and a computer to talk to customer and print invoice. But in his mind, that a small desk was not just a desk; it was the desk of a multinational company. Every single day has showed up dressed professionally, ironed clothes, uh, polished shoes, confident posture. He spoke to customers not like a clerk but like a business national handling serious deals. After just 2 years, His commission allow him to buy a good car, fully furnish his home, and get married. After that, bigger companies start noticing him. He joined a national rice trading company. This time it wasn't a small desk anymore. He had a private office, a secretary, and a company car for transportation. Years later, they become one of the major shareholders and eventually the chairman of the same company. Did he see the future of his first day small shop? No. All he did was show up every day, work seriously, respect his job, and constantly improve himself. That is it. Stage 3, sales management and leading a team. Then one day your role change. You are no longer just a salesperson. You are responsible for a team. No, your job is not just your one performance, but the performance of others. You start running meetings, you set target, you train new people, you motivate those who are losing confidence, and you realize something important. Selling for yourself is one skill, but making others successfully in sales, that is a completely different level. And the companies pay highly for that skill because now you are not just product producing income, you are multiplying it. Stage 4, business development and international negotiation. And this stage you leave the small store behind. You are now dealing with companies, not individuals. One day you are in a meeting with a factory manager, another day you are one of with a vocal with an international brand. Next week you might be one a plan for a business negotiation. No conversation are different. It's not just about price anymore. It's about contract, logistic, quality, long-term partnership, and international strategy. Deal can take a week or month, but one agreement can be worth more than years of retail sales. This is where sales turns into real business. Stage 5, building your one company. And finally, you stop selling for others. You start building your one system. You hire your one sales team, you build in your one structure, you create your one brand or company. No other people sell for you. Your income in is no longer limited by your time. It's limited by the system you built. And ironically, selling is still at the center of everything. The only difference is earlier you you were the system, now you want the system. Almost nobody start as a seller. Most people start with a small desk, a small job, and a small opportunity. The difference is now where they start. The difference is how they think while they are there. Some people see a small job, others see a starting point, and that change everything.